This is no fun, but something new has just begun. Are you bored of the same toys and want something new and exciting? Introducing Wind Up Egg Pal.
Wow!
It's a perfect gift and all kids will love it. It jumps and hops and sweet as a lollipop. Kid tested, mother approved. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Wind it up, set it down, watch it flee.
Wow!
Doesn't matter if you're a boy or gal, get yourself a Wind Up Egg Pal. It's endless fun for everyone. You can order online for $1.99. Use parents' permission if you're not 18 years or older.